So here's all of these atoms compressing down to form our sun, and they're spinning. Whenever you have a fluid that is spinning, it moves around. And remember, no balance in the universe. Don't want balance. So it's out of balance. So as it's spinning, it's out of balance and it wants to try and balance it the same way as that Fibonacci spiral is getting closer and closer and closer to 1.618 but never gets there. It's trying to balance itself. So this little bit that's on the side here starts to move apart and eventually gets thrown off. And this part comes more into balance and eventually ignites and forms our sun. But as it's spinning, it forms a galactic plane of dust. I'm going to sort of draw this as best I can. Like a CD that sort of radiates out. Has anyone seen what happens when you vibrate something with sand on top of it, like a disc, how it forms rings? Have you ever looked at the rings of Saturn? What they are is they're harmonic nodes. Whatever the frequency is of the thing here, it creates nodes. And those node points are where things will start to form. So there is a real mathematics, and you can look this up as well, as to where planets will form around an object. So our solar system, while it's forming our sun, is also forming planets through rotational energy and vibration. And we'll go into a little bit of the metaphysics later in terms of the tetrahedron. Does everyone know the tetrahedral structures and vibrations? It's one of the very first levels of vibrational consciousness, and the Earth has that structure. But Jupiter and Saturn have much more complex sacred geometries about them. If you look at Saturn from the top, the clouds form a hexagon shape. It has a different vibrational energy because it's one of the original planets in this solar system.